2006 Corvette Z06. It's a Lingenfelter 2-step installation. It's a plug-and-play harness. So there's two for each side of the coils. So you pretty much use this jumper harness to unplug your coil, plug the supplied one, and then the stock goes to the stock wiring harness. And same for the other side. You just have to fit it so the coil covers fit. Still need to fix up this one. So you do the 12 volt activation, how I put it, 12 volt activation. So I put this one to the clutch switch. Primary activation, I did it to the clutch switch. So I wired through here, zip tied there. One that's mounted back there. And I just took it off, get a better visual of it. So it's gonna be a purple wire with the white line through it. Let's put one of these connectors on it, and it's going nowhere. So every time you depress this, it'll activate. And when it's out, clutch out, it'll be on the secondary RPM. The other side is going to be the orange wire. It's secondary activation. It's to set your RPM limit. Key on, power on. So I've hooked it to the heater fuse. So I just put it right there, and I'll have power once you put this switch on. Okay, that's how it looks with the key on, power light on, then flashing activation. That's due to the secondary activation that's on your 12 volt source. So secondary, you can move your RPMs all the way to 9,900. So to test it, I just put it at 3,000 to make sure it works. And then clutch in, I have it at 2,600. So it should cut off at 26 with the clutch in. Let's put the key on, power light will come. That one's flashing. Clutch in, it'll flash even quicker. That means the primary is activated. Turn this thing on. Clutch in. So that's 25. So the clutch out and gas only. I have it at around 3,000. So that's around 3,200. So I'm past that. Okay, make sure when the car is off, when you're adjusting this. I just use a little flathead screwdriver. So I'll leave I'll put it to 2,600 RPM. Primary, secondary, I'll put at 7,000. So that's